Having trouble installing the Windows 11 24H2 update? Don't worry. In this video we'll walk you through step-by-step solutions to fix the issue when the Windows 11 Update 24H2 fails to install. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Look for Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Press Run. Press Yes to fix your issues. Press Yes again. Wait for the troubleshooter to scan your system. Press Yes if the troubleshooter fixed your issues. First, open the Start menu and type Command Prompt. Select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type SFC scan now and then press the Enter key. Wait for Windows to repair your corrupt files. First, open the Start menu and type PowerShell. Click on Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Now type the following command and then press Enter. Wait for your system files to be repaired. Open the Start menu and type Notepad. Open Notepad. Copy the text that you will find in the description of this video. Paste the text into Notepad. Click on File. Select Save. As in Save as type, select All Files. In file name type fix.bat. Press Save. Right-click the file you just created and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type Y and then press Enter. Type Y again and then press Enter. Now restart your PC to apply the changes. First, open the link that you will find in the description of this video. Locate Create Windows 11 Installation Media. Press Download now. Press Yes. Open the File Media Creation tool you just downloaded. Press Accept. Select your language and then press Next. Select ISO file and then press Next. Choose your download folder and name the file Windows 11. Press Save. Wait for the program to download the latest Windows 11 update. Press Finish. Double-click the Windows 11 ISO. Click on Setup. Press Next. Press Accept. Select to keep your personal files and programs. Press Install. Wait for Windows 11 to install the latest update.